Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to change privacy and safety settings on Twitter application. Now first of all, before we begin, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service. Only then you'll be able to follow the steps. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So next, open your Twitter application. So as soon as you open your Twitter application, the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the 3-star icon, which is on the upper right corner, right on top. So as soon as you tap on the 3-star icon, down there you can see a pop-up window. Now from here you need to tap on view content preferences. So next, on the other page you have the detail about content preferences. So on the Explorer you can see two different options. Now in some of your device, the options such as search setting might not be available. Now in case if you don't have this option, so you'll have to log in from your web browser in order to change your privacy and safety settings. So in case if you have this option, so you can directly log in from here. Just tap on search settings. Now on the other page there is two different options. So from here it actually depends on you, so whether you want to turn it on or whether you want to turn it off. Now in order to make changes, what you have to do is just simply tap on the button which is right at the corner, and now you can see that and this following option has been turned off, and in order to turn it on, the process is same. All you have to do is just tap on it, and now that is how you can change your privacy and safety settings on Twitter application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.